Hello, my darlings. Another amazing adventure today. Welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. Bloom with Grace, hosted by Manners Market Brenda and co-hosted by Mama Mia DIY. So when you're done watching my video, the link from the playlist will be in my description box along with the host and the co-host. And if you haven't visited Brenda's and Mama Mia DIY channels, please do so along with the amazing creators in the amazing playlist. DIY number 1. Today I'm making a very easy, beautiful creations for Christmas. I got this vase from thrift store for $1.99. After I clean it up well, we're gonna make some beautiful poinsettia because today theme is the bloom with poinsettia. We're gonna make a beautiful poinsettia centerpiece for our Christmas. So after I put some foam inside of the vase and glue them, we're gonna arrange these beautiful flower Christmas arrangements. I got all those Christmas pieces, leaves, poinsettia, greeneries for Christmas, and I got them on sale last year very cheap from Hobby Lobby and Joann's. So now I'm just arranging all the centerpiece flower arrangements and you can watch me. I mean, there is not much to talk. I'm just going by how it looks. I'm putting smaller flowers, the bigger flowers, leaves together. I mean, it's very simple and easy. So I hope you enjoy while you're watching me arranging all these beautiful poinsettias with the greeneries for my Christmas decor. And I hope I will be inspiration for you to make something like this. Super easy and fast, and look how beautiful it came. And when you create a centerpiece, it's gonna be nothing without the candle holders. So I got these holders from my local store, 99 cents each, and I'm using a folk art pure gold metallic paint. So I'm gonna make them like a old metallic gold to match with my centerpiece. So with a brush, I'm just going all over those wires just like so. I'm gonna do the same thing on the second holder, and when all that is done, I'm adding a glass candle holders from Dollar Tree, gluing on top of our holders just like so. I mean, they already look cute, but to fancy it up, we're gonna make some beautiful bows. I got all those beautiful ribbons that I purchased last year on sale for a couple of cents, and I'm using this fur scarf from Dollar Tree. I'm gonna cut it on half just like so, another half. Now I'm gonna glue it in the middle so we can create a bow. I'm gonna glue it just like that so we can make the shape of the bow, and on top of that we're gonna create a beautiful bow. Just making a loop, trying to see which of the ribbons I'm gonna use. They're all beautiful just like that, and I think I decide this one with the bows. I'm gonna use it and it's gonna look super pretty. So after I figure it out, I'm cutting a piece, cutting another piece equal size for my second bow that I'm gonna create. And now gluing the second part for the second bow from my first scarf. And now making a loop, and I'm just gluing it just like that, very simple. Glue in the middle again. And now I'm using those golden berries, also purchased from Dollar Tree. I'm gonna put that in the middle, and now I'm gonna use a zip tie to tie my bow in the middle, just like that, adding extra glue. Adding a zip tie to form the bow, just like that. Cutting it, adding the berries. See how it's gonna look in our candle holders. Now I'm cutting more ribbon so I can finish the complete look of my bow, just like that. Those edges, just putting them. When my bow is done, I'm grabbing another zip tie, and with that zip tie I'm gonna tie it on our candle holder, just like that. I'm going in between the wires. And that's it. I'm gonna cut the edges on my bow. Gonna make a fishtails. Just like that, getting the corners inside, and now making a zigzag design, cutting the second part, doing the zigzag as well, and that's it. My candle holder is done. I'm adding the berries also to add more look, beautiful look, touch. I'm rolling them. Do the same thing to the second candle holder, and that's it. And look how beautiful, glamorous this centerpiece together with the candle holder look. Bloom with poinsettia. I'm really loving this. Let me know what you think. Let me know if I inspire you to do something similar like this. I really had fun making it. And after you're done watching the whole final reveal, don't forget to check out the host and the co-host together with my amazing creators friends in our playlist, and you will get amazing inspiration for Christmas. And until next time, I'm sending you lots of love, lots of music, positive energy from me to you. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you tomorrow again. Bye-bye.